أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today we are going to make Kabsa rice. That's Arabian Kabsa rice. Here we have all the ingredients to make the Kabsa. So we have the rice. That's a Basmati rice. Needs to be soaked for about an hour. We have the chicken. It's marinated, but it doesn't have to be marinated. That's the one we had handy. So we're using this. We have cashew. We have raisins. We have almonds. 2 tomatoes, 1 onion. And we have the spices here. We'll do a list in the description. Okay, so first you put some oil in the pot. First you put your onion into the oil. You put a little bit of butter in it as well. Okay, here, so the spices that we put on the chicken is missing here. You see? So you usually make it without a marination. So because we had the chicken already marinated, so we're not gonna use again the spices we use on there. You will see a full list in the description. I mean, there's many way of cooking kapsa. So we're using the way combining various methods together. Let the onion get brown. Okay, spices. Now you add your chicken. So as you can see, the chickens are large pieces. So you got the drumstick and the thigh, and you get the whole breast pieces. Okay, now you add the tomatoes and let the chicken get cooked. Okay, now we're going to fry the cashew, the raisins, and the almonds. Okay, so that's now done. Okay, so that's the chicken now done. We'll take the chicken out into a frying pan. We're going to shallow fry the chicken. It's already cooked. You're going to fry the outer sides. Okay, so you add the water, the stock for the rice. Okay, so the chicken is done. So you add your rice. Okay, that's a lemon zest. Okay, so now we're going to put the rice on the dum and add the chicken in. So you put the chicken in on the top and you put your lid on. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. We now turn the gas off and you now wait for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now let's check the rice. MashaAllah, it's looking good. So that's the kapsa ready to go. So let's give it a try. Bismillah. Bismillah. MashaAllah. Okay, so break a little piece from the chicken with the cashew and the raisin in one go. Bismillah. mashallah, that's really good, really nice, really tasty. You should try cooking this at home. And I hope you enjoyed today's program. Please do share it and subscribe. Till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.